ma'am sir, if you are looking for a future home or investment here in Cavite area, so for today's video, ang ipepresent ko sa inyo update at improvement ng project sa Parklinks Settings Vermosa. So without further ado, ma'am sir, ito na po ang pinaka-latest update ng Parklinks Settings Vermosa. As you can see, ma'am sir, ito po yung Parklinks Settings Vermosa. And the other side naman po, ito po yung existing project ng Avida Viera Settings Vermosa.
As you can see po, based sa ating drone video, nasa 70% to 80% completion na ang road construction at perimeter fence for this project. Sa main entrance, makikita po natin na may nakatayo na po ang guardhouse, which means tuloy-tuloy po ang progress ng development. Pagdating naman po sa amenities, so as of now, hindi pa po ito nasisimulan. And for the perimeter fence, ma'am sir, more or less, nasa 50% completion na po ang kabuuan nito. So ma'am sir, for this project po, so meron tayong available na dalawang house and lot. So meron tayong Macy model units. So ito ay 67 square meter floor area, 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Perfect po ito para sa mga small to medium size families na naghahanap ng comfortable at maayos na space. So we also have 3-star model unit. So mas malaki po ito. Ito ay 85 square meter floor area, 3 bedrooms din at 2 toilet and bath. Ideal po ito para sa mga gusto ng extra space for a growing family or a home office setup.
Ma'am sir, that is the latest update po sa project na ito. So if you're interested po or may question kayo regarding sa availability or trippings, message nyo lang po ako sa number na to or you can message me directly po. So I'm happy to assist you po. Once again, ma'am sir, this is Sherilyn Gigi, your trusted Avida property specialist.